Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are trying to connect a Dell docking station to an Asus laptop and are unsure whether everything will work together, you are definitely not the only one asking this question. Sometimes people connect the cable expecting monitors and accessories to start instantly, only to realize a few setup details still need attention. Since docking stations can behave differently depending on ports, cables, and laptop compatibility, the setup may feel a little confusing in the beginning. The best part is that once the right connection is in place, using extra screens, accessories, and charging can become much easier. Let's walk through an easy way to connect a Dell docking station to an Asus laptop. Try these. Step 1. Connect power to the Dell docking station and confirm the dock turns on properly. Step 2. Check the connection port on the Asus laptop and make sure it supports the dock connection type. Step 3. Attach the cable from the Dell docking station to the Asus laptop securely. Step 4. Connect monitors or accessories to the Dell docking station if you plan to expand your setup. Step 5. Give the Asus laptop a moment to recognize the Dell docking station automatically. Step 6. Test displays and accessories connected through the Dell docking station and confirm everything responds normally.